In this tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to insert and customize page borders in Microsoft Word. First, open your Word document and place the cursor where you want the border to appear. Now, go to the Design tab at the top and in the Page Background group, click on Page Borders. This will open the Borders and Shading window where we can customize the look of our border. Here, you'll see different settings on the left: Box, Shadow, 3D, and Custom. Choose the one that best fits your document. Then, in the middle section, you can customize the style, color, and width of the border. If you're going for a clean and professional look, a simple line might be best. But if you want something bold, try a thicker or dashed border. Once you're happy with your selection, click OK and the border will be applied. Now, if you want something a bit more fun and creative, Word has artistic borders. Just go back to the Page Borders menu and look for the Art section. Here you'll find decorative options like stars, trees, and patterns. This is perfect for certificates, event invitations, or creative documents. Pick the one you like and click OK. By default, Word places the border close to the edge of the page. But what if you want to move it inwards? No problem, just click Options at the bottom of the Page Borders menu. Under Measure From, select either edge of page or text, depending on how close you want the border to be. You can also fine-tune the margins to adjust the spacing. If you're working with multiple pages, you don't have to apply the border to the whole document. Look for the Apply to drop-down menu and select All Document if you want it everywhere. This section to apply it only to a part of your document. First page only for a title page. Or all except the first page if you want a clean introduction. And that's it. You've just learned how to add and customize page borders in Microsoft Word. If this tutorial helped you, give it a like and subscribe the Knowledge Academy's YouTube channel for more easy Microsoft Office tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.